MetaQuest app not working. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. One of the main reasons your application might not be working is if you are not using the latest version of it. So let's head over to our Play Store and search for MetaQuest. If you see update beside the application's name, tap on update and update your app. Once done, head over to your settings and scroll below onto apps. Here again search for MetaQuest. For instance, if this is your MetaQuest application, scroll below onto storage and clear the data entirely. First of all, make sure that you know your credentials, then tap on delete. Now come back, then tap on force stop and tap on OK. Now see if this fixes your app not working problem. If you are still facing that issue, then you have to reinstall this application after uninstalling it. Try that and that will definitely fix your problem. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.